We have seen how to lock an Excel sheet, but what if we want to lock a complete folder? So today I will show you how to password protect your folder which no one will be able to see or no one will be able to open it. But first, why we need to lock a folder? Many a times we have some confidential or private information in our laptop or computer. At that time we can lock our folders. Also, most of the time a PC or a laptop is shared by many persons in the family. At that time also we can protect our personal information and lock the folder. To lock your folder, first we will create a new folder on desktop. Go to new folder. We will name it as my data. Now open this folder. Over here we will create a new text file. Go to new and text document. We will not name this because you have to delete this later on. So we'll just open it. So here we need to paste a code which will lock the folder. I have already saved the code in my PC. You can get the code from the link in the description. I have provided the link, you can copy the code from there. So select this code by pressing Ctrl A and then copy it by pressing Ctrl C. And then paste it over here by pressing Ctrl V. We will maximize it. So this is the code that we have pasted to lock the folder. As you scroll down, you can see if not pass equal to your password goes here, this line. So instead of your password goes here, you need to enter the password that you want to give to your folder. So I'll simply enter 123456. So this is my password. Now go to file, go to save as and save this document with the extension .bat and not with the extension .txt. So first select all files, name this file, we will give it as my file, and then give the extension .bat and then save it. So we'll close this file now, and now you can delete the old text document. Now how to open the folder that we have locked. So double click on this and you can see the new folder is visible over here named as locker. You can open the folder and you can paste all the important or confidential information that you want to lock over here. I have this image on my desktop. I am going to copy and paste over here. And now how to lock this folder. So double click on the bat file and it is asking, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Y stands for yes and N stands for no. So we'll give Y and press enter. Now you can see the folder is invisible, means it is locked. Now how to unlock the folder? Again double click on this file and it is asking enter the password to unlock the folder. So enter the password that you have given. And now the folder is visible. So you can open and do whatever you want here. So this is very simple step to lock your folder. So let's see again. Double click, press Y and the folder is locked. Again double click and enter the password and your folder is unlocked. So in this way you can not only lock your folder but also make it invisible for the other users. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.